Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a National Geographic looking type map comp, and I'm going to use a premium plugin called GeoLayers 3. If you want this plugin for free, you can go ahead and check out the links below. There's a free trial, and if you want to go ahead and purchase, you can go ahead and get a link to the authentic website down below, and you can get yourself this plugin. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and inside the GeoLayers 3 panel, and to get access to this, I'm going to go over to the Windows app and extensions in GeoLayers 3. After that, I go ahead and create a new project. Go ahead and create next. What I do after that is go ahead into this ESRI looking map comp. Double click it, go ahead into the National Geographic setting, go ahead, click apply. As you can see here, the map comp is ready. I go ahead and finalize this so I can show you the final format. And the final version of this looks really good. If you go ahead and zoom in, you can see that the borders have this colorful look, and it's really nice. If you guys enjoyed this video and found some value in it, be sure to subscribe and like the video. In addition, if you want a free version of GeoLayers for about 2 weeks, go ahead in the link and get the free version. And if you want to purchase this plugin, go ahead in the link and buy this very powerful map creator plugin. And I'll see you guys in the next video.